get started.
Hello and welcome back to Inside All In. Throughout our sessions, I often mention that you can find additional resources in the teacher's interactive ebook. For those unfamiliar with our books, you might be wondering, what exactly is the teacher's interactive ebook? Well, let me explain. It's an interactive software designed specifically for English teachers. It can be accessed either through the pen drive or direct download upon adoption. With the teacher's interactive ebook, you have the entire project at your fingertips. There's no need for you to depend on unstable internet access, as you all know is part of our daily challenges in our schools. Logins or software installations. Simply plug and play and you're ready to teach your class. Just imagine heading to class with nothing but this fantastic tool in your pocket. You will definitely feel lighter. This tool is incredibly useful for teachers because it consolidates everything in one place. You will find all the modules of the teacher's book, extra lessons like speaking, writing, CLIL, or festivities, Grammar Plus, study guide, extensive reading, workbook, and the inclusion book, all conveniently located in this pen drive. You can project interactive exercises and work through them with your classes.
Short, tall.
We offer a wide range of exercises, including drag and drop, gap fill, or multiple choice. Solutions aren't visible, allowing you to correct exercises individually. Furthermore, you can assign the same type of exercise at two different levels and correct them consecutively, a feature that promotes inclusion and excellent class time management. No one leaves classes with things to correct. In the teacher's interactive ebook, accessing digital resources such as audios.
Hi Tiago, what is your favourite TV show? My favourite is The Crown. It's about the royal family in the UK from 1947 until 2001. I'm very interested in history, so it's a great show.
Videos,
The Crown. Hi Tiago, what is your favourite TV show? My favourite is The Crown. It's about the royal family in the UK from 1947 until 2001.
or games is straightforward. Divide the class into teams and incorporate games, enhancing engagement and contextualizing learning. Let the students become the teacher and have them correct their colleagues' quiz by projecting the answers on the board. All you have to do is supervise, saving you loads of time correcting at home. As you can see, the teacher's interactive ebook is an incredible tool for any teacher. Once you start using it, you won't want to use anything else. It'll become your best friend due to its user-friendly nature. Just plug and start teaching. That concludes today's session. If you have any questions about the teacher's interactive ebook or the All-In 5th Annual Project, please leave a comment below or contact us at Leirilivro. We will be more than happy to assist you with any queries. See you in the next episode of Inside All In.